The neighbor of the giant apple tree would be the waterfall of vines. Let's see. This first mound is a bent over white birch, well, paper birch. This part right here is part of this maple tree. This last little chunk is a big old apple tree in the back. The vines actually keep going up, so birch, maple, apple tree, all the way going up. Tried to get a rope across, but can't find anything to tie from there or reach to there yet. I'll see what I can do, but it's nice nonetheless. Let's see how the structure of this looks. Oh, it's just scary. Turn it up a little. There we go. Look at that. Jumanji. Jungle. Scary.